Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna present to you guys um, Dior B23, the high top and the low top. That will be blue and white color. Okay, so before we do that, let me present the box to you first. Let's start with the high top. You see that here is the shoebox label, here is the box, and you see Dior is well printed here, and you see how rough is the box, because Dior box normally is not that smooth. Okay, let me present myself. My name is Brown, and we in my company, we are the best replica seller in China. So I want to present our products to you. Right now I'm in the warehouse, like presenting products. Okay, so now let's start with unboxing the shoes. Okay, you will see that this is the high top B23. You see, that's the box. Sorry, my camera will shake a little bit. Okay, that's the box. Now when I open the box, you see the shopping bag. Dior is well printed there, and you also see how the shopping bag is the same with the box. And inside here you have to check, you see the bees. Okay, now let's talk about this. The envelope, Dior. Here is a note thanking you for buying from Dior. This is the receipts from Dior. Okay, this is the dust bag. You see that it's well, the linings are well immaculate and nice. You can see that there. And this one is the extra lace and the bee. Okay, now let's open and talk about the shoe. You see how the shoe is protected. So let's come closer to the camera to check how the shoe looks like. Okay, here you see how the linings are immaculate and nice, very specific, no mistakes. You can see that there. You see Dior is well embossed here on the rubber of the sole. Here also. Now you see Dior is here, and the bees are also here. Okay, check. That's how it is. You see how this rubber comes here straight. Okay, now let's check the other leg, the other shoe, sorry. You see how it is. This is the man work shape is very nice. Because this is man-made, it's not made by machines, so it's very perfect and nice, very precise. Okay, now let's look at the low top. You see, that's the box, the shoe box level. That's how the box is. Okay, you see how the dust bag is. For the low top, the shopping bag is a little bit slimmer than the high top. And you see here, the beads are also there. Okay. Now you see the ribbon. Okay. The dust bag. See Dior, and this dust bag is made up of high quality cotton. You see the linings are very immaculate and nice. Okay, and you see this envelope thanking you for buying. The extra lace. Check. You see how the linings are very immaculate and nice. No mistakes. Very perfect. You see, this is made up of rubber. The sole is made up of rubber. You see Dior word printed here. Okay, that's it. And inside here, you see the size of the shoe and the serial number. Very important to note. Yeah, sorry, I forgot to show you that on the high top. I will show it to you now. That's it. The serial number and the size of the shoes are here. And you see that the lace is also very long. You can tie it, and the lace is also of high quality. Check. See the linings, very perfect. Okay, that's how it looks like. Let me show you the serial number of the high top. That's it. That's how it looks like. Okay, I will give you another detail video, but before that, please give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe to my channel, so when I upload new videos, you will know. And for those who want to buy this shoe, you can just contact me. My WhatsApp is will be on the description below, and my Instagram. Please follow me on Instagram for more details. See you next time. Bye bye.